This week, two legends left this world, Ozzy Osbourne and Hulk Hogan. And while the world mourns, I'm here to show you something strange, mathematical, and mystical, something that might just blow your mind. When I was a kid, I was obsessed with cheat codes. You remember that? Up, down, left, right, X square, triangle, circle, infinite lives, right? But as I got older, I wanted the cheat codes to something much bigger, the game of life, and yes, even the cheat code for death. So buckle up, because what I'm about to show you is not superstition. It's numbers, cycles, and patterns hiding in plain sight. Let's start with Aimee Osbourne, Ozzy's daughter. Born in 1983, the year of the pig. Now, in Chinese astrology, every animal has an enemy. And guess what the pig's mortal enemy is? The snake. And what year are we in now? 2025, the year of the snake. Coincidence? Or did a cosmic timer just go off? Now let's go deeper. Time for some numerology. Let's look at Sharon Osbourne. We take the date, October 9th, 2024, since we haven't hit the 2025 date yet. So, 9 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 18. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Now here's Kelly Osbourne, born October 27th. Let's calculate her numbers. 2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 18. Again, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Boom, another 9. You starting to see the pattern? Now let's talk about the immortal man himself, Hulk Hogan. He was born in 1953. Add that up. 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 18. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. And the year now is 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 9. And remember, his personal year in numerology was also a 9, and his personal month was a 7, the two numbers that show up over and over again in death cycles. Here's an important side note. The calculator used for this analysis starts counting from January 1st, not his actual birthday, so you adjust the numbers accordingly. In this case, we reduce by 1. What the numbers are telling us. So let's put the puzzle together. We have multiple people in 9-year cycles. Enemy zodiac years like snake versus pig, Hulk, Ozzy, and their families surrounded by repeating 9s and 7s. In my research, the 7-year and 9-year cycles are the most dangerous for health, endings, and yes, death. Sometimes the 11-year cycle pops up too. But today, we're focused on 9s and 7s. The cheat code reminder. So what does this mean for you? Watch your 7th and 9th personal years. Look out for your enemy zodiac years. And even more so, your children's enemy years. This isn't about living in fear. It's about living consciously. You don't need to run from death. But if you're holding the cheat code, you might just see it coming. If this kind of mind-bending cosmic detective work gets your blood pumping, hit that like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to know the cheat code too. Drop your birth year below. I'll tell you your enemy sign and what cycle you're in now. Until next time, keep playing the game. But now, play it smart.